Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to increase PNB debit card daily limit. Okay, let's see friends, I showed you. First friends, you log in PNB One app. Scroll down. Click here manage debit card. And click here manage limit. Click here view and edit. And friends, this interface open ready. Move the slider to increase your daily limit. And click to update. And here you're writing your PNB One app pin. After that, you receive one OTP, which number registered with your PNB bank account. That number you receive one OTP. That OTP you writing here. So friends, debit card daily limit has been updated successfully. You can also very easily increase your PNB debit card limit using PNB One app. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.